Here is another diagram in which we are required to find the angles A, and this is our angle A, the angle D, and the angle E2. So E2 will be this angle. So how do we do that? Well, the first thing that we need to pay attention to is the information which is given. And we are given that this angle is equal to 110 degrees. And as you can see, if we're going to pay attention to triangle BOC, you will realize that it has got a base of BC, which is a chord within this circle, and the same chord BC is also a base for triangle B, or triangle B, D, and C. And as we know, the angle that we are going to find at the center, in this case it is angle 110 degrees, this one, is always double the angle that we are going to find at the circumference, provided that the bases are the same. So we have established the base is the same for triangle BOC and also triangle BDC. So in other words, the angle D will be equal to half the angle at the center, which is angle O. And we know that the angle O is given, so our D, or angle D, will be half. The angle O that is given is 110 degrees, and D, or angle D, is equal to 110 degrees divided by 2, and therefore D will be equal to 110 divided by 2 is going to be 55 degrees. That is the angle D. So this is going to be 55 degrees. And also, as you can see, the triangle BAC is also having the same base of BC, this one. So whatever applies to angle D also applies to angle A, and therefore angle O, which is 110 degrees, is twice the size of angle O. So we have established the fact that angle D is 55 degrees, which is half of angle O, and therefore it also applies to angle A. So this is also going to be 55 degrees. So another thing that you're going to notice here are these marks that we have here, and also this one. So these marks are only indicating that line BA is parallel to line CD. So if that is the case, then angle D, this one, will be equal to angle B1. So this is also 55 degrees. So B1 is also 55 degrees. So I don't know where to write it. So I'm just going to do this, 55 degrees. So in order for us to find angle E2, this one, we're gonna have to pay attention to this triangle. So I'm just gonna draw inside this triangle, so which is triangle ABE. And you will see that E2, this one, is an exterior angle of that triangle. So we know that an exterior angle of triangle is equal to this added to B1. So in order for us to find E2, which is an exterior angle of a triangle ABE, so E2 will be equal to angle A plus angle B1. And the reason being is exterior angle of a triangle, angle of a triangle. So A, we have established the fact that it is 55 degrees, and also B is 55 degrees. So E2 will therefore be equal to 55 degrees plus 55 degrees. And that 55 plus 55 is going to give us 110 degrees. And that will be our E2. So this angle will be equal to 55 plus 55 is going to be 110 degrees. And those are the angles that we were looking for in this question. Thanks for watching.